We know now that in the early years of the 20th century, this world was being watched closely by intelligences greater than man's, and yet as mortal as his own. We know now that as human beings busied themselves about their various concerns, they were scrutinized and studied, perhaps almost as narrowly as a man with a microscope might scrutinize the transient creatures that swarm and multiply in a drop of water. With infinite complacence, people went to and fro over the earth about their little affairs, serene in the assurance of their dominion over this small, spinning fragment of solar driftwood, which by chance or design, man has inherited out of the dark mystery of time and space. Yet across an immense ethereal gulf, minds that are to our minds as ours are to the beasts in the jungle, intellects vast, cool, and unsympathetic, regarded this earth with envious eyes and slowly and surely drew their plans against us.
Vibrations, loud ringing, and roaring sound. It seems like I had just shut my eyes when the noises started that night. And then, silence. In the morning, a bright, radiant light glows through the window. The light becomes more brilliant. Similar occurrences are reported around town. The sky turns white as if the earth was being scanned, and a shrill ringing fills the air. Few describe the moment as a brief out-of-body experience, with feelings of slight euphoria. Other people don't remember anything at all. They ask questions like, what day is it? Do days exist without calendars? Does time pass when there are no human hands left to wind the clocks? But most people just continued on with their day, too distracted by their own mundane lives to realize what was happening around them. And by the time they glanced up, it was over. What's out there? I decide to investigate. What causes the sky to flicker like a candle? What could possibly generate so much light in the sky that is brighter than the sun? It's incredible. The earth has turned white with light. It's colder out than normal. I can't feel my toes. My legs won't move. I feel frozen. And that's the last thing I remember.